I may be getting 7 to 10 leads a month. So that's why you evaluate at the end of each month or quarter, right? You want to see, what am I on track? If not, what are my obstacles?
Hey, future real estate stars, stop wasting your hard-earned money on overpriced courses that don't deliver results. Why pay hundreds, even thousands, when you can get the same training for free? Click the link in the description below and start your real estate journey the smart way. Learn proven strategies, insider tips, and build your business without breaking the bank. Your success starts now.
Or what's working, then it's time to double down. That's where you become a master at something. When you see, okay, I'm good at this, focus on it. You let go of what's not working and focus on what's working. You may, on your free time, take classes, watch videos, partner with somebody who may have a strength here, but try to focus on what works. All right? Step 6 is make adjustments accordingly. So we just kind of went through it, where you make the necessary adjustments. That's step 6. And step number 7, you want to stay consistent, which is you rinse and repeat. Stay consistent. Sometimes consistency beats talent. I give this example all the time, right? If you ask people that love football who the greatest wide receiver is, 9 out of 10 people will tell you Jerry Rice. If you look at who the most talented receiver is, they'll either say Randy Moss or Megatron, right? Those are the 2 most talented, naturally gifted wide receivers. But 9 out of 10 people will tell you Jerry Rice was better than both of them. He wasn't faster than both of them. He wasn't as tall as they were, but he was the most consistent. His records are so far and beyond. It's almost like, can anybody play for that long to even get to his numbers, right? So there's something to say about
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.